guys, and welcome back to another RSX Type S video. Today we're going to be going to a couple junkyards to look for some parts for the Type S. And I'm also going to be looking for two other specific cars in the Honda line that share similar parts to the RSX, which hopefully we can find, because for those of you guys that know, the Acura TL Type S has Brembo brakes and you can pretty much adapt over to the Type S, and one was dropped into this junkyard around 3 weeks ago. Hopefully we're able to find everything and make it work. So yeah, I'm gonna be going to my local Riverside out here in SoCal, LKQ. I'm meeting up with Yanni. He's a OG DSMer, and he's gonna go out there with me and see if we can find anything for our car. So. And if you guys didn't see the last video, we finally fixed the check engine lights for the car. Alright, I just arrived to the LKQ pick apart. I am gonna go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro. I honestly do not want to walk in with this big ass camera, so this just makes it really just easier to film and just more low-key. I don't want to go in there and look like one of those YouTubers, you know. Good morning. Be honest though, what do you think?
Oh, dude, it has so much potential.
It's hideous though, huh?
I think every car's something. I can't buy a pristine.
Yeah, especially for the age. So I'm mainly looking for the grille, the driver's side fender.
Oh really?
Yeah, because this one's bacon fender. The windshield trims, and then if possible the door trims, the boot for the shifter, and then the Acura TL Type S Brembos, and then the Honda Civic hatchback airbag, because that's the red Honda one. Alright, this is the TL. No Brembos though.
Anything else you need from this type of car?
No, this is the car that has the Brembo. That's it. Yeah. Oh, it's it right here. RSX. But it's all crashed. So no fender, no windshield trims. These are trash. Automatic. Damn, this thing went ham somewhere.
Blue?
Blue, yeah. Is this it? Please have Brembos.
I think it was gone.
Yep, someone was smart. Damn. And they are twin. Damn. They're expensive, right?
Yeah.
We got the OZ Lancers, 3G Eclipse.
Oh, that's the bumper that guy had.
Yeah, but not a single 2G or 1G. They're getting rare. Alright, so no luck. Unfortunately, we didn't find anything. And I'm guessing the Acura Type S, TL or whatever Brembo brakes are highly sought after, because we pulled up and they were gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out to the Monrovia pick apart. They think they have like 3 or 4 RSXs there. As long as we find something, to me it's an achievement. So, and this thing's clean. Also, quick question for my RSX guys: how many miles do you get for the full tank? Because I filled this thing up on 91 and I'm currently at 271 miles and I'm about to be on empty. So if that's the case, it's not really too economical, but from what I've heard, these could last a couple hundred miles on a full tank. But you guys let me know what your MPGs are in the comment section below, because I already have to fill up and it feels like I just filled up like a couple days ago. Alright, so I've never been to this one, so let's check it out. Alright, let me find something and I'll keep you guys updated. I keep seeing TLs, but they all have stock brakes. It might just be better to order the bigger brakes online, honestly. Oh, look at that. RSX. Damn, this is no good. Missing this. This is trash. Automatic. Dude, there's like nothing. Oh, here's another one, but jeez. Bro, do all of them have missing trims or what? Of course, the fender's trashed, but on a good note, these look really good. Let me see if the other side's on. Sick. These are trashed. Auto. Looks to be like it was black interior. Black carpet, not sure if that's rare. Oh, damn. Alright, so just be careful putting these out. You could break the Eclipse quite easily. 25 bucks for both of these. All right, so Junkyard run, it wasn't a fail, but it was a fail. We weren't able to find most of the parts. I'm kind of in desperate need for the driver's side fender because I wanted to wrap this car, basically the video right after this. All right, so I went ahead and made a post out here in the local SoCal RSX owners Facebook group, which I highly recommend if you're new to any type of car or platform. Usually the Facebook groups are your best bet in regards to getting the best deals. I do want to put this out there because I do not want you guys getting scammed. I had a guy reach out to me. I'll go ahead and post a screenshot right here of the conversation. He told me fender 150, grill 100, door trims $100, right? I asked him for pics and he's like, I haven't parted them out yet and I can't have part without payment being exchanged. I then said, you can't take any pictures of them being on the car, it doesn't make any sense. He immediately blocked me right after that. So one thing I've been seeing a lot, not just on the RSXers, but in the Evo, DSM, and 3000 GT groups, is you have to be really careful with scammers because they post up listings that aren't really theirs or cars that aren't really theirs and in a supposed part out, and they tend to price parts pretty cheaply. And then once you send payment, which by the way you should always pay with PayPal goods and services, because if you pay with Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal friends and family, it's very likely you won't get your money back. So a lot of these scams are happening, especially right now in 2023. I'm not sure why this thing became a trend as far as what I've seen, but just be really careful with scammers. So anyways, I found a local Honda shop out here that has both the grill and the driver's side fender for me that I'm going to be picking up for $150 for both, so it's not too bad. I am considering taking it off and painting it. I tried cleaning it beforehand, but it seems as if this is the actual just grill fading over time, so it might be good to paint it over with some black paint. I do want to go ahead and upgrade over to the Honda badges, but that'll be in the near future. For now, this will do. Honestly, building a car is quite expensive, so I'm trying my best based off my financial capabilities. But either way, if I ever can't afford to do an actual paint job on the RSX, then I would consider it painting it back to the OEM blue. It's my favorite color on this car, and in my opinion it looks very aesthetic. It looks super clean and it fits the car perfectly. So for now, we have to work with a wrap that Vinyl Frog is sending over to us.
Hello, welcome to my TED Talk. I just want to say that I do not approve of this message or this vehicle. Looks very ghetto. It's very Frankenstein, and I'm not looking forward to wrapping it. But it is what it is, because Miguel makes choices for God knows what reason. Don't know who gave him money or power or a citizenship, but it is what it is, and I chose him. And now I have to live with my decisions, so choose carefully when you pick a car boy, girls. And I know there's not a lot of girls watching this, but be careful of your choices.
I got the OEM fender back on. I did notice that I do have a gap from the bumper to the headlight to the fender right here, and I think it's because one of these clips or things here are broken. This other side is worse, and as you guys can see, like this, like I like this fitment, but this honestly bugs me. The grill seems to be fitting fine, but it's just like a lot of things aren't really lining up, and it just happens when you get a car that's just been improperly taken care of. Like, you could just tell that the previous owners just didn't really care. And also, if you guys noticed, this thing doesn't have this on anymore because I got super lucky. One of them flew away as soon as I left the junkyard, and as you guys can see here, we have these little pieces that kind of attach to this, but it seems to me like everything is broken. So obviously this is the wrong side, but once I put it on, it's very flimsy. So I ended up going out to buy JB Weld to place on here, and that way it could permanently stay on here. Now, we are wrapping the car, so I don't think it's a good idea that I do that now, but at least I have a solution for when we're done wrapping the car. I can go ahead and put them back on properly. Alright, so this is going to be the last time you guys see it like this. Obviously it looks hideous, but in the following video I will be making a, I guess, full tutorial on how to wrap an RSX completely. I've never properly wrapped a car at all, so this is going to be a completely beginner wrap job, and hopefully we can still manage to make this thing look good. So super hyped, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't yet, because lots of videos with this thing are going to be coming, and of course those will never go away. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.